When you're burnout, your mind is tired of pressure. Even if you love creating, it might associate it with stress. That's normal. It doesn't mean you're not creative anymore. Burnout often happens when we do too much for too long without clear limits. Here's the simple idea. When returning after burnout, your job is not to do more. Your job is to do less on purpose. Less clearly defined. There are three small parts to this idea. First, your energy needs rebuilding, not testing. If you immediately push hard to prove you're back, you shock your system. Second, your brain needs safety. When you know exactly how much you'll do and when you'll stop, your mind relaxes. Third, stopping on time builds trust. You start to believe that creating won't drain you again. For example, if you used to draw for 2 hours and ended exhausted, you might return with 10 minutes instead because your goal is not output, it's stability. Here's how we'll do it step by step. You'll write a gentle limit. Then, you'll define what counts as enough for one session. Finally, you'll add a clear stopping line so you don't cross it. This flow works because it removes guesswork. You won't ask, is this enough? You'll already know. In simple words, doing less on purpose protects you from falling back into block. If this idea felt like a relief and you want me to guide you through the full step-by-step version of how to overcome creative block after burnout, you can take the whole class free for a month using my link below. It continues right from here so you don't lose your momentum. And I explain everything slowly with real example. Plus, you'll get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month including drawing, painting, design, and creative routines. Before you go, you're welcome to leave a quick comment and tell me what feels like too much for you right now. Even one short sentence helps more beginners discover this video. And if you have a question, you can leave it there too. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you feel clearer, you can gently like the video, share it with someone who might need a calmer restart, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.